It is much better to lose a battle and win the war than to win a battle and lose the war. Resolve to keep your eyes on the big ball. In life, we all face battles, whether it is on the battlefield, in the arena, or in the workplace. But what really matters is not just winning the battle, but winning the war. Our focus from the big ball must be unwavering. That in this case can be who we want to be, what we want to do, and where we want to go. Every human being has a different meaning attached to their purposes and big things they want to do in life, thus making these ideas so extraordinary. Some days it will rain, some days it does not. But what matters is what you make of those days. Allow yourself to train and build your attitude. Intelligence is a crucial driving force in life, but an attitude defines the overarching success in a person's life. So next time you find yourself panting on the ground, remember this is life giving you the opportunity to rise, to take charge of the calamity that befell you. Although you may not have succeeded in the first go, but your choice to find a way through it is what defines you. So remember, losing a battle doesn't make you a loser, it makes you a fighter. And a fighter never gives up. So keep pushing forward, stay focused on your ultimate goal. And never forget that it is much better to lose a battle and win the war than to win a battle and lose the war. Failure can be a valuable learning experience, a chance to assess, regroup, and come back stronger.